Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, your bank balance is always low? You work hard, yet somehow, by the end of the month, your savings are, well, non-existent. Today, let's talk about why you're not able to save enough money and how you can finally take control of your finances. One of the biggest reasons you're broke is lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, but so do your expenses. Instead of saving extra money, you start spending more on unnecessary luxuries. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should buy it. Ever bought something just because you were bored or stressed? That's emotional spending at its finest. Shopping releases dopamine. It feels good at the moment but kills your savings. Signs of impulse spending: you buy things without thinking. You shop when you're bored or stressed. You regret purchases later. Solution? Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making any non-essential purchase. Most of the time, you won't even want it anymore. Those 199 Indian rupees or 599 Indian rupees per month subscriptions seem small, but they add up fast. Many people forget about old memberships they don't even use. Common subscription traps: streaming services, Netflix, Prime, Disney+, etc., gym memberships you never use, premium apps and software you forgot about. Solution? Go through your bank statements and cancel anything you don't use. Eating out every day is a silent budget killer. A 300 Indian rupees coffee here, a 500 Indian rupees lunch there. By the end of the month, it's thousands gone without you even realizing it. What you think, it's just a small expense. What it actually adds up to: 8,000 to 15,000 Indian rupees per month. Solution? Set a limit, maybe once a week for takeout, the rest homemade. You'll be shocked at how much you save. If you don't track your money, it disappears. No budget means no control, and that's why you're always broke. Fix it with a simple budget: 50% needs, rent, groceries, transport, 30% wants, shopping, entertainment, 20% savings and investments. Even if you start by saving just 10%, it's better than nothing. Most people spend first and save later, but guess what? That never works. The trick is to save first, then spend what's left. Smart saving tip: set up automatic savings right after payday. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Even 500 Indian rupees a week adds up over time. Credit cards aren't free money, they're designed to keep you in debt. If you're always paying interest, you're losing thousands each year. Solution: only use credit cards for planned expenses. Pay the full amount, not just minimum dues. Avoid loans unless absolutely necessary. If your bank balance is always low, now you know why. Cut out unnecessary spending, budget better, and save first. Small changes today will make a huge difference in the long run. Which of these money mistakes do you struggle with the most? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more money-saving tips. Until next time, save smart and spend wisely.